Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this third brake light. The LEDs start to go out after a while and you can't change the LEDs separately, so you have to change the whole thing. So first thing you're going to need to do is remove this trim up here. So to do that we'll need to take this off. In order to do that, if you get a flat blade screwdriver in at the side there and just kind of press that in. You don't need to kind of lever it too much, you just need to pull it down. But there's two clips either side, so it is a bit tricky. There we go. So there's two clips either side, one there and one there. So with your flat blade screwdriver, if you kind of just get in the side there and push that bit in, either side you can get it off. It's a bit tricky. Next then there's two Torx 20 screws up inside there. So the Torx screwdriver. Right, with that off, you should be able to get your hands up inside here and just put it down. Leave that just hanging off that little bit if you want, or you can pull it out, it's up to you. So up through here you can see they've got like a little flat blade end on them, so just come up in, can you see in there? There's one there and one there. Yep.
Oh, and them, yeah.
Just back on the new one. Yep, you can see this is the new one, genuine one. There's only two, one, two. You can use a flat blade to be fair. So it's 13mm, I had a 10mm rather than 13, but you can get a flat blade screwdriver just in the end there and unscrew it. They're not particularly that tight. Now it has got a sticky seal around it, so it might be a little bit tight to get out, and obviously you've got the electric the plug connector on one end as well, and a metal clip. So we'll take the plug off first. You can just about get inside up here. You can just about see. So there we go. So that's off now. So to get that off, there's just a little clip in the end. Just get your nail on there, pull that down and pull it out. Right, so once you've got those screws out underneath, you're going to need to get something similar to this, so you can just get inside and start to lever it up. And you're going to have to do that all the way around. All the way around, because you've got the like little seal which is glued in, so it will take a bit of time to work out. Obviously if you want to put some masking tape around there or whatever to just to potentially stop any damage to the paintwork, it's recommended, but because this is a plastic tool it shouldn't end up doing any damage.
Okay.
So we're going to struggle probably a little bit now, because if you've just got a normal spoiler on the TT, it should be a little bit easier. But because with this spoiler, we haven't got as much room, so just keep working it round. I'm just trying to get my hand up inside so I can press from this side. So it's nearly there. It's just getting stuck now from the seal around the other side. pushing this all the way in just to break the seal on the other side. Depending on what trim tools you've got, just your best one you can.
You're wedging up against the spoiler.
Yes, because we've got the bigger spoiler on this one, isn't in as much room. I suspect if you've got the normal spoiler, you could put the spoiler up and then come in from the back side and help lift it up. Just trying to press it up from this side. Whoa. And there it goes.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, well that's
Definitely broken.
definitely knackered now anyway. But anyway, you can see inside there now. So what we need to do is clean all of this up, just get rid of all of that, so when we put the new one on, it seals.
Cool.
Right, so I've cleaned it up where the old glue was. If you want to spend more time clearing out all of the dirt in there, you can. But this is the new one now, so you're just going to remove that sticky part. So when we press this in, it sticks in. So this might be quite difficult with this spoiler on, you see, which actually I think it will be. There we go, it's pressed in. So we can put the connector back in. And we've got the 2 screws. Again, these don't need to be mega tight. Obviously, probably want to check to make sure it's all working before you screw it all back into place, which we did, so we're happy with that. And then what we need to do is now is put the trims back on. So first up was this one. Just add this little clip back in here.
It's actually a boot release.
Yeah, your emergency boot release here. Just make sure your clips are in. One there. Come out. Just going to need a pair of pliers to pull it out. It's actually side cutters are easiest to get those out. There we go. So you can just put it back. There we go, so all your clips back in. Once you've kind of got it lined up in place.
Brutal.
Then put your torque screws back. And last but not least was the little trim. Happy days. If you've got other trim to put in, put that on. That's it. So we'll just check the lights now.
I need the keys for that.